Today we are going to cover the muscles of hand, wrist and fingers. As we know the anatomy of hand, wrist and fingers, that it is composed of radius, ulna, metacarpals and phalanges, etc. So move towards the muscles of the hand, wrist and fingers. So let's start the muscles of hand, wrist and fingers. Their name, origin, insertion and their nerve supply. Students, today we cover these muscles according to their nerve innervation. Okay, so these muscles are innervated by median nerve, these are by ulnar nerve and these are by radial nerve. So let's start. First muscle is pronator teres, which is originating from humerus and insertion is ulna. Second, palmaris longus, originating from humerus and inserted on palmar aponeurosis. Third one is flexor carpi radialis. Same as first, it is originating from humerus and inserted on second and third metacarpal. Next one is flexor digitorum superficialis, originating from humerus and inserted on second and fifth phalanges. The next, flexor pollicis longus, originating from radius and inserted on thumb. Next one muscles are flexor carpi ulnaris, originating from humerus and insertion on ulna. The next, flexor digitorum profundus, originating from ulna and insertion is distal phalanges, second and fifth. And these two muscles are innervated by ulnar nerve. The next muscles that are innervated by radial nerve. The first is supinator, originating from humerus and insertion is ulna. Next one is extensor carpi radialis, originating from humerus and insertion is second and third metacarpal. Extensor carpi ulnaris, humerus to metacarpal fifth. Extensor digitorum, humerus to distal phalanges. Extensor indicis, ulna to phalanges. Extensor pollicis, originating from ulna to phalanges. Abductor pollicis longus, originating from ulna to first metacarpal. These are the muscles that are innervated by radial nerve. In this way, today we cover all the muscles of wrist, hand and fingers according to their nerve innervation.